Hello, Redwood Family Care Network team members. My name is Tony Keuter. I joined the People's Care family in September 2008 as your Chief Operating Officer. I was recently promoted to the Chief Executive Officer of Redwood Family Care Network in April of 2022. Redwood Family Care Network was established in June of 2021 and is the parent company to People's Care and the Sales Group. I've been married for 29 years and I have 4 boys, 25, 16, and twin boys of 13. Family life has always been rooted in all the decisions that I make. It's my foundation. I have personally met so many of you, and I'm looking forward to more personal interactions throughout the year. I have a series of town hall style meetings planned throughout this year and next. So please, keep an eye out for when myself and my team will be in your area. We would love for you to participate. I would like to take a few more minutes of your time to share some very exciting and extremely positive times that are ahead of us here at Redwood. Let me start off with our vision. Our vision is to provide world-class support and services to the people we work with in the IDD and ABA space every day. We will accomplish this in several ways. One is through your continued hard work, dedication, better training, and love for what we all do together. Number 2 is by having a more robust and visible training and QA department, quality assurance department, in which we have invested very heavily in the last few years. Number 3, by providing more frequent and better trainings for all of our managers and our frontline team members. I personally see how hard you all work every day supporting each and every person in our homes, programs, and throughout the organization. My staff frequently share your success stories with me, and it warms my heart to see how people are progressing and living their best lives because of your hard work and love. I appreciate this. I know the residents, participants, and the people that we support also appreciate this, and I thank you for it so much. How our positive progress affects you personally. Let me share some facts with you. We've had a significant number of internal promotions throughout our company over the past year. These opportunities have come about because our company has grown very responsibly and it's grown very effectively. Growing this way, always keeping our residents, participants at the top of our list has fostered and will continue to foster a culture of world-class supports and services. Many doors have been opened for so many people to advance their personal careers, move around the company, do different jobs, and advance as the things that they want to do in their careers. These opportunities will continue to grow and be available for more and more people. If you are interested, I would encourage you to please speak with your frontline manager, your management team, about how you could better prepare yourself for future opportunities with our company. I have a commitment to you. I commit to you that I will always drive this vision of world-class supports and services. I'll always do everything I can to make sure that our residents and the people that we support every day are receiving the best care and support. Our people, our culture, are the most important attributes as an organization. I will never allow this to be compromised. I personally thank you for all your hard work and for your time. Thank you for being part of the Redwood Family Care Network team. Thank you.